Airports are prime hunting grounds for pickpockets. Why? Travelers are tired, distracted, juggling documents, and bags the perfect target profile. In fact, petty thieves lurk in airports and transit hubs, watching for anyone who lets their guard down. They know you can't carry everything pressed to your chest. An unattended bag or an open pocket is a tantalizing prize. Today, we're counting down 10 essential tips to make sure you never fall victim. Each tip is actionable and maybe even life-saving. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Stay alert and look confident. The first line of defense is your mindset. Pickpockets choose victims who seem distracted, disoriented, or vulnerable. Don't give them that opening. Even if you're exhausted after a 10-hour flight, project alertness, shoulders back, head up, eyes scanning. Act like you know exactly where you're going, even if you're secretly checking the gate number. Why? Thieves are less likely to mess with someone who looks vigilant and aware. After a long flight when you're tired and jet-lagged, try to appear decisive and focused. In major pickpocket hotspots like Barcelona or Paris, you can bet someone is sizing you up as you walk out of customs. Don't be an easy mark. If you sense someone getting uncomfortably close in a crowd, trust your gut. Make eye contact with them or create some space. Let them know you see them. That alone can scare off a pickpocket as they hate attention. Number 2, don't flaunt valuables. The airport terminal isn't the place to show off. Flashy jewelry, a fat wallet full of cash, the latest iPhone held out in your hand. All of these scream rob me. Pickpockets people watch for a living. They will notice a Rolex or the designer handbag. As travel experts warn, appearing affluent makes you more of a target. So tone it down, leave the expensive watch and diamond rings at home, or at least keep them out of sight. The same goes for electronics and cash. If you need to pull out money or your phone, do it discreetly and put it away immediately. Don't hover in the open texting absent-mindedly with your bags at your feet. And consider using digital payments or travel cards instead of wads of cash. Loading your credit cards into Apple Pay or a mobile wallet lets you pay without exposing a roll of bills. Fewer flashy cash moments, fewer eyeballs on your wallet. Number 3, secure your wallet and phone. Most pickpockets are opportunists. They're looking for an easy grab, so don't give them an easy pocket to pick. Never carry your wallet or phone in your back pocket. That's the first place a thief will go, and you'll never feel a thing in a busy, jostling crowd. Instead, use front pockets or hidden pockets, and even then add obstacles. For example, some experienced travelers swear by the rubber band trick. Wrap a thick rubber band around your wallet, or even around a slim comb next to your wallet. It makes it bulky and creates friction, so a thief can't slide it out smoothly without tugging, which you are more likely to notice. If you have a jacket, use the inner zippered pockets for your passport and phone. Zippers and Velcro make noise and take extra seconds. Thieves hate that. Ladies, if you carry a purse, opt for a crossbody bag that you can wear in front of you, with multiple zipped compartments. The more layers a pickpocket has to get through, the more likely they'll move on to an easier target. Number 4, lock down your luggage. Take a look around any airport gate. You'll see bags left at chairs, suitcases at people's feet, backpacks hung on the backs of seats. A thief can swoop by and wheel off with your carry-on in seconds if you're not paying attention. So never lose physical contact with your bags. If you're sitting, loop a strap around your arm or leg or a chair leg. It's a simple deterrent. If someone tries to yank your bag, they'll jolt you too. And that's likely to scare them off or at least alert you. Even a small carabiner clip or a bit of rope to tether your bag to your seat in the lounge can make all the difference. Also, be extra careful. When you sleep in an airport, treat your bag like a hug pillow, literally hug it, or use it as a pillow under your head. If that's not possible, clip or lock it to yourself or the bench. Some savvy travelers use cable locks to attach multiple bags together or to a fixed object. It doesn't have to be Fort Knox. Even a cheap twist tie or small padlock on your zippers can stop a sneaky hand from opening your bag while you snooze. In fact, government travel experts advise locking your carry-on after you clear security so nobody can unzip it while you're dozing or distracted. The point isn't to make your luggage impenetrable, just more trouble than it's worth. Thieves want a quick score, not a puzzle. Number 5. Beware of distractions and friendly strangers. Most pickpocket operations aren't solo acts. These thieves are professionals at misdirection. One common scam at airports and stations is the distraction trick. Someone might accidentally bump into you or drop a cup of coffee on you, or even stage a commotion nearby. While your attention shifts for just a second, Maybe you're cleaning your shirt or watching a minor argument. An accomplice is already reaching for your bag or pocket. It happens fast. As one travel safety resource describes, a thief might spill something on you and help wipe it off, while actually lifting your wallet in the process. Always be skeptical of sudden distractions. If someone spills on you, hold on to your valuables first, clean up second. If there's a noisy argument or spectacle, instinctively check that your bag is secure as you glance over. Then there's the friendly helper scam. You're struggling with your heavy bags or the ticket machine, and a kind stranger offers to help. The moment you let go of a suitcase, that helper might just vanish into the crowd with your bag. It sounds brazen, but when you're tired or stressed, you'd be surprised how often travelers hand their stuff to a stranger without thinking. The rule here is simple. Don't let anyone you don't know hold or carry your belongings. You can politely decline offers by saying you've got it, or ask airport staff if you truly need assistance. Number 6. Team up if you can. If you're traveling with a partner or friend, use the buddy system to your advantage. 2 sets of eyes are better than 1, and pickpockets know it. Make a plan. When one of you has to use the restroom or grab food, the other keeps watch on the bags. Take turns watching the luggage so neither of you is ever leaving things unattended. Even in security lines or duty-free shops, one person can be the designated watcher at a time. This not only deters thieves, but if something does happen, you have someone to chase or raise an alarm immediately. When moving through the airport, especially in crowded areas, position yourself smartly. For example, one can walk slightly behind, keeping an eye out for anyone following or getting too close to the other's backpack. If you're in a busy elevator or shuttle bus, stand on opposite sides of your bag so they're always within both of your sight. Traveling solo? You can still team up in a way. Chat with a fellow traveler who looks trustworthy, say. Another solo flyer waiting at the same gate, and casually agree to look out for each other's stuff if one needs to step away for a moment. Obviously, use judgment here. You're not handing them your wallet, just creating a mutual understanding. Number 7. Be extra vigilant at security checkpoints. Here's a nightmare scenario. You're in the TSA line, juggling bins. You place your laptop, phone, wallet in a tray and send it through the X-ray. But you get pulled aside for extra screening, maybe a pat-down or a body scanner delay. By the time you're through, you can't find your laptop. It's gone, snatched by someone who's already disappeared into the terminal. This is exactly how one traveler's 1,000-pound MacBook Air was stolen at London City Airport. The thief waited for the right moment when her bag went through faster than she did, grabbed it, and vanished. Security lines are chaotic by nature, and thieves exploit that. So how do you defend against this? Delay placing your items on the belt until you're basically ready to step through the metal detector. It's okay if people behind you get antsy. Better a few annoyed sighs than losing your passport or laptop. Keep an eye on your stuff as it rolls into the scanner, and watch for it on the other side as you pass through. If someone reaches for your bin, speak up immediately. Number 8. Plan ahead to avoid being a target. A bit of planning can go a long way toward keeping you safe. Pickpockets thrive on chaos and confusion. If you're running late for a flight, frantically searching your bag for your ID, or wrestling overloaded luggage, you're exactly the kind of distracted prey they like. So plan ahead to minimize those vulnerable moments. Arrive earlier than you usually would so you're not rushed and flustered in the terminal. Give yourself time to get through security calmly. That way you can be alert, not panicking because your flight's boarding. Travel security experts emphasize this. A calm traveler is a harder target. Also, pack smart and light if possible. The more bags and loose items you have, the harder it is to keep track of everything, and thieves know it. If you're loaded down with 2 roller bags, a backpack, a purse, and a coffee, could you notice a missing item immediately? Unlikely. Streamline your carry-on to essentials. That also frees you up to move faster and keep your belongings in sight. Research your route, especially when landing in unfamiliar airports. Some destinations, unfortunately, are known for pickpockets right in the airport or on the transportation routes leaving it. Number 9. Use technology and anti-theft gear to your advantage. We live in a high-tech world that uses that to outsmart the pickpockets. There's a whole market of anti-theft gear designed for travelers. If you carry a backpack, consider investing in one with locking zippers or hidden zipper placement. Some travel backpacks have the main zips pressed against your back, unreachable while you're wearing it. Others come with small combination locks you can snap on. Even a simple zipper lock or a safety pin through the zipper can stop a casual thief from unzipping your bag without permission. It only takes a second for you to secure those zippers, and it forces a thief to either move on or get very obvious. There are also slash-proof bags and straps. These have metal mesh or cables embedded, so a thief can't quietly cut your bag or strap with a knife, a tactic sometimes used in crowded markets. While a full metal-lined bag might be overkill for the airport terminal, a sturdy, crossbody bag with a reinforced strap can give you peace of mind, especially in busy areas or if you're going to fall asleep with that bag on. Number 10. Outsmart them with decoys and backup plans. Our final tip is a bit unconventional, but it can be a game changer. Sometimes, despite all precautions, you might find yourself cornered by a thief or in a situation where a pickpocket makes a grab. This is where decoys and backups come in. One clever strategy experienced travelers use is carrying a decoy wallet. This is a fake wallet with a little bit of petty cash and maybe some old expired cards, nothing truly valuable. Keep this decoy in an easy-to-reach pocket, more obvious than where your real wallet is hidden. The idea is, if a pickpocket targets you, they'll find the decoy wallet, think they hit the jackpot, and take off. Meanwhile, your real credit cards and majority of cash are safely tucked away elsewhere. It might cost you, say, $20 in sacrifice cash and a throwaway wallet, but it can save you thousands and a ruined trip. There are even stories of people who have avoided losing their actual valuables because the thief grabbed the decoy and fled none the wiser.